Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. This one is going to be a little bit shorter. I'm already well into my day. I haven't done any updates throughout the day, any video vlogging throughout the day. I'm still trying to edit yesterday's video, so I'm sort of falling behind, which is a pain. So I'm the daily updates, I'm still going to try and get them done, but they might be a bit shorter. They're probably going to be more start of the day, halfway through the day, end of the day roundup, maybe a little bit of time lapse of me doing something during the day, because trying to edit all the footage I want to take is proving to be a pain in the ass, and after doing 10-12 hours of work and then going home and doing 2 or 3 hours of editing each day, it's becoming quite tiresome. So I'm going to still try and do daily videos, but just reduce the amount that I'm filming. So let me show you what I've done today. So here we have the E30 rear bumper. As you can see, I've used cardboard, hot glue, bit of bracing. When you're able to cheat like this, yeah, we'll get this done. So this will now get covered in glass. I will then probably transport it to an E30 that is nearby, eye it up, make sure nothing is fouling from angles, get exactly where the exhaust port needs to go, and bring it back, and then I can start with the lower lip coming all the way around and round the exhaust port. So that's quite exciting. I'm glad I've got a good way through that. What else have I done today? Well, another over fender kit, front over fender kit, E46 coupe rear clam. So this is gelled up, choppied up, ready for glass. Some more little skirt bits there, and this is obviously the saloon rear clam. I know you really can't tell a difference in them, but they are different, trust me. And as you can see, these moulds are empty. That's because they are outside waiting to be trimmed, which is my next job, which, as you've probably already gathered if you've watched a few of my videos now, I loathe trimming. I mean, absolutely loathe trimming. But it's got to be done. It's now 6:15 in the evening, so I can still make a bit of noise at work. So I'm going to get all that done. I've got the bonnet to trim and front over fender kit to flappy disc down. So yeah, I'm going to get on with that, and yeah, I'll update you in a bit, guys. And there we have another E36 bonnet, all bonded up and curing for the night. So I'll pop this one out tomorrow, flappy disc the edges, tidy it up, make it look nice, and find a safe way of boxing it so that it can travel all the way to Italy. Marvellous. So fingers crossed that makes it. I've still got this one sat here, which is going up to York. I was meant to have it packed up yesterday. Stuff's been happening, so that hasn't been packed yet, unfortunately. That needs to be packed and sent ASAP. Goddamn deadlines. Yeah, I haven't touched any more of this. I'm gonna be glassing this up tomorrow and then moving on to the next step. Yeah, I don't think I've done anything more with these today apart from chuck the choppies on. This hasn't been touched today. These, however, my vented are my vented E46 pre-facelift coupe 30mm front over fenders with a vent. These moulds are now ready for, I'm going to give them a quick wash, and these are now ready to be waxed up and chucked into production. So that's number one, that's number two. So I'm looking forward to seeing how the first ones of these pop out. So I don't know if I'll get to do them tomorrow, but they are coming very soon, guys. So keep your eyes peeled for those. And if any of you guys watched my last video, these are the E46 facelift coupe 30mm front over fender kit that I was making in the last video. These have come out very nice. These are now all been trimmed up, now ready to be boxed up and sent off. Again guys, all this stuff is available to order, so check out my website lowesfiberglass.co.uk, or check out my eBay store, which is under the same name, Lowes Fiberglass. And also check out my Instagram, because my Instagram's small, trying to build it up, but that's my fault because I'm really slack on Instagram. So I just don't have the time guys, I'm too focused on fiberglass. I mean, today I've done barely any filming because I just wanted to crack on and stuff. So I do apologise that this video is a little bit shorter than normal. We have still done a full day, don't worry. There has been a lot of trimming, a lot of sanding, and also sorting the car out as well, getting the missus car sorted out. So that's going to do it for this video. Tomorrow hopefully I'm going to be making loads of stuff, releasing the bonnet, and the workshop is going to be absolutely full of white panels. It's going to be crazy. So this is going to do it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this very short video. I know it's don't think much has happened in this video, to be fair, but I'll see you in the next one guys. If you like it, like it. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. Either way, I'll see you in the next one guys. Cheers. Peace.